Welcome to online video lectures. Subject Big Data Analytics, and today's topic is importance of big data. Myself S. Suryanarayan Raju, working as assistant professor in the department of CSC SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram. The objective of this lecture is to learn about the importance of big data. Coming to importance of big data, the big data analytics is indeed a revolution in the field of information technology. The use of data analytics by the companies is enhancing every year. Big data has the properties of high variety, volume, and velocity. Big data involves the use of analytic techniques like machine learning, data mining, natural language processing, and statistics. With the help of big data, multiple operations can be performed at a single platform. You can store terabytes of data, pre-process it, analyze the data, and visualizing the data with the help of couple of big data tools. Data is extracted, prepared, and blended to provide analysis for the businesses. Large enterprises and multinational organizations use these techniques widely these days in different ways. Big data analytics helps organizations to work with their data efficiently and use that data identify new opportunities. Different techniques and algorithms can be applied to predict from data. Multiple business strategies can be applied for future success of the company, and that leads to smarter business moves, more efficient operations, and higher profits. These are the importance. First one is cost saving, time reduction, understand the market conditions, control online reputation, and next one, to solve advertisers problems and offer marketing insights. And the last one, big data analytics as a driver of innovation and product development. Coming to cost saving, some tools of big data like Hadoop and cloud based analytics can bring cost advantages to business when large amounts of data, plus they can identify more efficient ways of doing businesses. Next one, time reduction. The high speed of tools like Hadoop and in-memory analytics can easily identify new sources of data, which helps business analyzing data immediately and make quick decisions based on the learnings. Next one, understand the market conditions. By analyzing big data, you can get a better understanding of current market conditions. For example, by analyzing customers' purchasing behavior, a company can find out the products that are sold the most and produce products according to this trend. By this, it can get ahead of its competitors. Control online reputation. Big data tools can do sentimental analysis. Therefore, you can get feedback about who is saying what about your company. If you want to monitor and improve the online presence of your business, then big data tools can help in all this. Using big data analytics to solve advertisers' problem and offer marketing insights. Big data analytics can help change all business operations. This includes the ability to match customer expectation, changing company product line, and of course ensuring that the marketing campaigns are powerful. The marketing and advertising sector is able to make a more sophisticated analysis. This involves observing the online activity, monitoring the point of sale transactions, and ensuring on the fly detection of dynamic changes in customer trends. Gaining insights on customer behavior takes collecting and analyzing the customer's data. This is done through the similar approach used by marketers and advertisers as illustrated. This result into the capability to achieve focused and targeted campaigns. A more targeted and personalized campaigns means that businesses can save money and ensure efficiency. This is because they targeted high potential clients with the right products. Big data analytics is good for advertisers since the companies can use this data to understand customers' purchasing behavior. Through predictive analytics, it is possible for the organizations to define their target clients. Example Netflix. Netflix is a good example of big data brand that uses big data analytics for targeted advertising. With over 100 million subscribers, the company collects huge data, which is the key to achieving the industry status Netflix boasts. If you are a subscriber, you are familiar to how they send you suggestions of the next movie you should watch. Basically, this is done using your past search and watch data. This data is used to give them insights on what interests the subscriber most. Last one. Big data analytics as a driver of innovations and product development. Another huge advantage of big data is the ability to help companies innovate and redevelop their products. Basically, the big data has become an avenue for creating additional revenue streams through enabling innovations and product improvements. Organizations begin by collecting as much data as would be technically possible before designing new product lines and redesigning the existing products. Example, I think you have probably heard of Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods. This is a perfect example of how big data can help improve innovation and product development. Amazon leverages big data analytics to move into a large market. The data-driven logistics gives Amazon the required expertise to enable creation and achievement of greater value. Focusing on big data analytics, Amazon Whole Foods is able to understand how customers buy groceries, how suppliers interact with the grocers. This data gives insights whenever there is need to implement further changes. Summary. Big data analytics helps organizations to work with their data efficiently and use the data identify new opportunities. Different techniques and algorithms can be applied to predict from data. Importance of big data: cost saving, time reductions, understand the marketing conditions, control online reputation, and to solve advertise problems, innovations and product development. Thank you.